What's up?
Tyler, thank God. Are you okay?
Fine. Why? What's going on?
Pastor Young had me arrested this morning. The council grilled me on my whereabouts. Tyler, don't tell me where you are. The less I know, the better.
Mom, I'm okay. Relax.
You didn't answer your phone, honey. I was so scared that you were with Caroline.
Why? What happened to Caroline?
The council took her.
What do you mean they took her?
Urbane ropes. Looks like a large pattern is called the council.
The council? What exactly do you think I can do to me?
What the hell happened?
Marvin killed in the peak.
You're alive?
No time. Come on, we gotta go.
What about me?
Keep him busy, little sister. They're gone. Whoever nailed Rebecca took them too. Please tell me of something. Anything.
I can't. The council locked Carol and me out of our offices. Files, computers, everything.
So, the mayor and the sheriff never contemplated a backup plan, Liz?
Damon, relax. When Caroline called to say she got away, did she know where they were planning to take her?
No, just that she was in some van in the middle of nowhere and she managed to escape.
Perfect. We've narrowed it down to nowhere. Hey, is Lenny here? In what world are you the one that gets to live?
Damon, stop! It wasn't his fault.
Let him go, Damon. Now.
Still want to be a writer? I remember how you'd read your short stories to my daughter when you babysit. She still loves writing because of you.
Why did you bring me here?
My deputy's gonna watch out for us here. No vampires have been invited in. Look, Elena, I know it sounds crazy.